The Flood Control District of Maricopa County operates a 24-hour rain, stream, and weather gauge network which provides real-time information to the county and many other agencies about rainfall, floods, and weather conditions in Maricopa County. Currently, the district has 352 alert gauges through Maricopa County and neighboring counties. Our Google Map display displays all the district's alert data. At the top of the map, there is a menu bar, which includes datasets, layers, historic, info, and a refresh button. A data description bar is in light blue and includes the data date, time, and product information on the first line, and the second line is the radar information. Radar by default is turned off. The National Weather Service warning legend is displayed by default on the map. If a warning is issued, it will automatically display the polygon on the map. The map auto-refreshes every 2 minutes, updating the layers that are overlaid on the map. You navigate through the map as you would a regular Google map. You can turn on satellite view with or without labels and go back to regular map with or without terrain. A zoom drag tool has been added. To use this, hold down the shift button. Your cursor will turn into a plus sign and drag your mouse to make a rectangle. Let's take a look at the menu. The dataset menu includes 10-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour, 3 hour, 6 hour, 1 day, 3 day, 7 day rainfall, streamflow data, impoundment data, weather, wind data, air quality AQI, and air quality weather data. To close this dataset, press the close button. All rainfall markers will display as a plus sign until measurable rainfall occurs. Once there is rainfall, the markers will display as black with white text. At ½ an inch, the marker turns yellow. At 1.25 inches of rain, the text turns red, and at 2 inches of rain, the markers turn white with red text. If you see a red M, it means there is missing data and the gauge hasn't reported in 6 hours or more. If you click any of the markers, an info window will display. This window will show you the last time the gauge checked in, provide links, a table, and a plot. If you click on the plot, you will get a plot for that particular sensor for the last 24 hours. Streamflow data. The markers are green with yellow text. This also shows the same information as a rain gauge, plus an additional the current conditions graphic. Impoundment data are all of our dams and basins. This marker is orange with black text. If you click on that, you'll also get links, a table, and the plot is within the info window for impoundments. Weather data is all the flood control district's weather stations. These markers show temperature, dew point, relative humidity, solar radiation, wind direction, wind speed, wind gust, barometric pressure, and elevation. If you click on these, the info window will display additional information. Wind data will show all of the weather, specifically the wind information as wind barbs. The tooltip will show you the wind direction and speed. Air quality, AQI. This information comes from Maricopa County Department of Air Quality. This legend will display as default when you view the layer. This map will display the highest AQI recorded for any device at each station. The markers change colors depending on the maximum AQI. The info window will display the last 300 reports, a plot, and a graph that shows all of the particular sensors that are at that station. The air quality weather data is also data from Maricopa County Department of Air Quality. Only sensors installed at the stations are displayed. When you click on these markers, an info window will also display. The layers menu includes a variety of additional data that you can overlay on top of any data set you have chosen. The county boundary is turned on by default. Streams is also turned on by default. If you click on any of the stream, it will give you the stream name. MSP forecast zones is our Meteorological Services Program forecast zone. If you click on them, they will show you the name of the zone. These zones are incorporated into our daily forecasts sent out by our meteorologist. FCD projects are all of our dams and basins. If you click on these, it will give you the name of the projects. Maricopa County watersheds will show you all of the watersheds. If you click on them, you will get the name. Webcams displays 5 webcams, give you the name of the webcam and the date and time the image was taken. The National Weather Service Phoenix Office Forecast Zones is a layer. Colorado Basin River Forecast Center River Gauges is a layer. This comes from NOAA. The legend is in the lower left-hand corner. If you click on these, you will get the name and a link to the hydrograph, and these will change colors if they've hit particular flood categories. The Hydrometeorological Prediction Center's quantitative precip forecasts are also available in the 6-hour, 24-hour 1-day, 24-hour 2-day, and 24-hour 3-day. To view these, you just need to click on the particular product. I'll zoom out so you can see. It will overlay a file on top of the map with a legend so you can view these forecasts. The National Weather Service warning statements is what the legend corresponds to. We'll go over to where there is some weather. This will overlay the polygons wherever a warning has been issued. If you click on them, you'll get more information in the info window. You can turn these off if you want, but they are turned on by default. WDT radar products are supplied to us from a company called Weather Decision Technology. They provide radar precipitation and satellite overlays for the district for public display. The radar by default is turned off on our map. To turn it on, you just need to click the base radar reflectivity, and that will overlay the latest image that we have. If you would like to loop the radar, you just need to check the loop radar box. It will go out and grab the last 6 images and give you the date and time step in the data set section on the top of the map. There are also 1 hour, 6 hour, and 24-hour precip estimates that are available. To view those, just click on the particular product. A legend will show up. Satellite images are also available. You can turn the National Weather Service warning legend on and off, and the radar legend on and off. This will not turn off the product, but only the legend. Historic menu displays the historic rainfall. You just need to select a month, day, year, time, and time step. Once you click the Update Map button, it will overlay the requested data onto your map. January. The info menu will give you additional information. A flood control district of Maricopa County data legend, a Maricopa County Air Quality Department legend, an about section, and a contact. There are also links to the mobile version of this map, the main website, Rainfall and Weather's site, the Flood Control District Weather Outlook, the Rainfall and Weather Facebook page, and Flood Control District's Twitter page. The refresh button will refresh all the layers currently overlaid on the Google map. If you want to refresh the map prior to the automatic 2-minute refresh. This map requires Internet Explorer 9 or better, Firefox, Chrome, or Safari. If you open the map and you don't see the markers, and this updating data set is just yellow, you need to make sure you turn the compatibility view off. That can be done by going to Tools, Compatibility View, or by clicking this broken page link above. If you have any refreshing issues, go to Tools, Internet Options. Under Browsing History, click Settings, and make sure every time I visit the web page is selected. If you open this map on your phone or tablet with a screen resolution of less than 730, the mobile version will open up.